Welcome back to the channel, my people. Borderline to Gaza. Yes, sir. You see me, you see me, you see me, you see me. No found no scream Gaza this and Gaza nation and Gaza that. But I no found you don't even know how far Gaza come from. And that me want to tell you no. You see me? I straight from borderline to Gaza. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. And I want to tell you, sir, if me not mistaken, Mind Sharp and me, Cartel get the name borderline from. You see me? Cause me used to have a son when named borderline and me send a yard to my cousin at Waterford. Cause Waterford we're from the Gaza, third world. You see me? Me send a Jamaica for some dub plate for my son named borderline. Them time them me never hear Cartel talk about no borderline, none of them type of things there. You see me? Until me send for some dub plate, tell them say my son named borderline. Me get a whole heap of dub plate from Cartel. You see me? And next thing me know, me hear Cartel with song with the name borderline in it, and them start call theme corner borderline. You see me? So to me feel like say a me Cartel get the name borderline from. But anyway, him switch it now to Gaza. Yes, sir, cause me feel like Gaza, you can use the word Gaza better in them songs there, more easy and all them type of things there. You see me? But anyway, big up Cartel. Freedom is a must. You see me? You see me? You see me? Anyway, you're there, big man. Big up yourself, cause we must link up again. You see me? We never link up personally before, you know, but on the dub plate tip, my cousin Kevin from Waterford link you and we get all types of dub plate from you, man. We have dub plate galore. You see me? For the sound borderline. Anyway, if you get this, you don't know what me I talk about. So all of the man them where don't know how far the Gaza come from, this a phone no. For all of the man them who never believe me when me I tell them say I from borderline, the thing I come from to Gaza, this video is phone no. You see me? So I want you to check out that video, yeah. I want you to leave in the comments. You see me? Freedom is a must for the world, boss. You don't know. So check out that video, yeah, rude boy.
It's the freshest, because you love him to the best. And he's the big man.
Yes, sir.
It's the borderline, not dead body, not fine.
Borderline.
So watch this.
You're here.
And watch you come in. Serial material.
Watch you now, anything teacher endorse it up for pass and a freshest. I would don't tell them say a new star karaoke. You don't know the man from borderline karaoke, but we'll switch it and say karaoke because I'm money over war this year. I mean, I make them know say those $2 for come in. And for you see MC I keep a thing for 2 bills.
From borderline to Gaza.
Because them man regularly keep thing, you know say all 12 bills for the ticket for the forest bench, you know. And for come up front VIP at 3 grand. So we have to watch and 4 people think of 4 more things. So we just go so boom. New Star Karaoke, Hipsters Party. You get the trip, it's a Hipsters Party and a karaoke and a stage show in one. Because you can see the man of the whole of the Portmore celebrity there. Yours truly Vybz Kartel. We say big man, boy is a boy. Girl want long love them now one toy. That's why she run with 1 minute try. Freshest the catty come employ. Yeah man, I have to like singer chair. You know the man in the day. I mean, I make you know, say,
yes, sir.
Future trouble. Make you about artists like Spice. Macho kid, they don't know them, they are good youth. They say me Captain Barky.
Big up Spice.
Captain Anthony B and them youth there. And you see the MC for the night. You see for the MC, and a run the MC. A MC Neil. And guess what? And a MC Neil, a chick gonna get shit. A fancy cat. And pretty boy fly. Boy, this pretty boy fly, they have to walk wide. They got Jax, Jingle, the whole family. Yeah man, I watch you now. Cash Money I play as a big sound, and it's a special thing, because as you notice, from where the Portmore police them, I deal with the dance on a levels where we can't fight it because them say a law and legality. See, can't tell you above the law still, but them say a law we are work with it. So we say it's a short
you see me?
time.
The man I work with the law.
9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Because the dance are done 2 o'clock in the morning from that, double. Because MC go check the man them say, watch ya, you can keep your thing, you know. And here why you can keep your thing, because use a youth to the people them respect. We like the karaoke for Sunday daytime. And watch ya, use a youth to work off a principle and rules and regulation, and at 2 o'clock the dance are lock off. So the people them
yes,
come out from 8 o'clock as when it start though. 8 o'clock starting time. And it had done 2 a.m. in the morning, but the show is from 9 to 11. And the admission is just $200. You know, enough sponsor like Jax, we don't been big enough. You see me, I say, because them man like the whole karaoke. Get a glimpse. And the real big man this. And we and them youth are grow. You know that. Anything with them youth are end off. You might get all a card.
You're a territory.
Alright. We don't talk. You start karaoke. I'm going to take it over back now. Him, a big man thing, you see it? Big man thing, that's what I say. Big man, a big man. Child is a child. Girl want a man, fi flash child and a child. She put Barney on the veranda tile. She says she want a child. Me tell her, wait a while. No girl inna me cat tell her. So me no want no mister. Give me the sister. Make me give her the twister. Make her blister. It's a pleasure when a girl have me thing a measure. She say, see the whole I bury the treasure. Do it at your leisure. She say, nah, you know more to learn. 18, them for know up on a Thursday. I mean, I tell you the venue, I just Twin City Lounge, you know, them for know, you know. They got the video man and video disc, because them use their hype youth. And then a normal video man around here, so I for know that, eh? Jabba, remember me tell you, the girl them say him are the #1 stabber. Yeah, man, if him a wear clocks, a straight bank robber. Them for know that. Flavor thing, yeah, me told you, new style karaoke, cash money, them have the most cartel in the world. Remember that Scratchy B, I'm a friend, I'd never touch him, girl. Up to the time, your girl are my girl are mine. Me and girl the soup with the skelly and the time. Your girl the Michael Manley with the line and the nanny with the pine. Up to the time, from your catty jumping at the ride with me and mine. Straight from me something like leather we apply.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Karaoke, karaoke,
Toby.
make it more, Toby.
Precious thing, you know that.
Freaking, I'm bringing a queen.
Borderline. You know what I'm saying?
It's a hype thing. Yeah. It's a hype thing. I used to
A cartel ends this, borderline. The whole of Waterford are my place. Where's the borderline or the fatherland, and that's where them youth are go, freshest. No man can violate them youth are order, because when them youth are grow, them to know that I just one love and one link. You see me I say, when them youth are
Yes,
go
sir.
remember that. And them youth are top dancer in a Portmore, last Sunday. Before no boy start dance and no girl start dance, and them one they go foreigners dancer. We know about them one in every video.
Some little man that go on with them little dancing thing and don't want to go on.
Leave. Them leave and put on man put on that. Them for know that.
For no, no.
Tapping eyes. Them just see an online video. And we are it's about. And we are do. My friend Elephant are there and she know them on the posters. Cause big man thing, anything where them youth are end that's a big man thing. Check him out on the online video. I use them youth to dance. So from him say promotion, you know the whole of the artists them. Elephant are there, Kartel are there, Singer J are there. Cause when we say Singer J, you know the Jesus and T.O.J. And then the Apple J. You see me I say? Big up the video man, Jabba.
And watch this, another bank robber. You see me I say a Jabba. So watch this. You see 19, a Poochie thing, Mr. Brown. You see me I say, remember me tell you.
Yeah, and a Tivoli garden, and a Cherry garden, borderline garden, glimpse it. Them for know, we say a new star karaoke. And we say 18 bad man. And we say
Yes,
a
sir.
MC thing. And we are making know say yo, cash money. Watch out the big #1
Man, I
show,
keep
watch
up
out.
him thing.
Singer J, Vybz Kartel, Elephant Man, Eggnog, the whole fraternity. Cause we love them youth until eternity. Remember me tell you. You see come a borderline, them for no say, them no got no girls like mine, no girls like thine. Y'all tell him she leaving boy bar like swine, y'all come a borderline. He get the good wine.
Yeah, a full request, man. Remember me tell you, the 18th of Mr. Brown thing. And then come around. You hear me tell you now? I change to go out, I watch ya. I go fast start, I never 19, I was 18.
Yeah.
So watch ya. I want to come out on the 10s and what? 1,000. I mean, I want a machine.
No, hold on. Bring your queen and left your machine. Bring your wife and left your knife.
Yeah.
Carry the funds and left your guns. Security, a cartel style. But I feel like when I come see no
You see me,
really,
you see me, you see me.
Cartel security, response to the venue.
Yes,
And
sir.
we tell you, say,
Peace, we are pushed long
what the
time.
venue, Twin City Lounge, a big thing, the people them know that. Anything with NC them.
Long
NR,
time we are
them
push
use that
peace.
tap dancer boy, a
No
pressure.
violence.
Over the years, nothing no change.
Wicked them wicked that try get we out.
don't know.
Born and
But
start.
the big man says so, so it goes.
Straight.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
And that's how it pass. You know that. Remember that. Precious thing. Oh.
I don't know, that's how everybody for us come out from early.
Yeah.
9 to 11 of the show. I don't know someone come after them time and I go miss the show.
Miss the
Me know
show.
someone I miss the show. What?
Cartel.
That would be too high, you know what I'm saying? And all of the ladies them, I don't know, so from my first thing, all of the ladies them I got dead.
Yeah.
What, you know, them hipsters down like
what?
that.
Straight.
You know what I'm saying?
A punctuality the man I deal with. That, from the man say 9 to 11, a foreign style people, because so foreign running up. Half a laws and order and principle. You know, we say 9 to 11 the show, we mean 9 to 11 the show.
9 to 11.
Cartel I run on
Come late
10:30.
at the sun.
Because you know, from run on 10:30, and 11 o'clock I hit that. And juggling again till about 2. Because the people,
I know.
we don't
Party
come to see
style.
a bag of artists, we come to party and show
Party
hipsters.
style.
And the video man I got there at the video.
Party
A party thing.
What?
I don't know who you gonna hooligan thing. If a boy bring him gun, me I beat that. Me. Cartel says so. No boy can come there with not eat that vibes.
Yes,
Them
sir,
know
man.
me over the years, you know. Yeah man, I used to them to know the routine, man. Them can't flip up now with scheme.
Yeah.
Because when they not eat that thing, when you see you to try, when you know to come at the people them bed, you wouldn't eat that thing. That's policeman come lock it off on the war thing, them thing gonna make it bad, man.
Yes, sir,
We
man.
have place soon over war, you know. When you know you are going to Afghanistan and them place there. We have places sending you if you know war.
Yes, sir, me. When you hear that, when you hear that, you hear that. A long time the teacher preach peace. Peace, peace. Me never yet hear a video where this man a push violence. It's always peace. Leave on no guns. We don't need no guns, no knife, no weapon. No bring no ignorance around here. You see me? I just peace we are deal with. Yeah, wanna free up the world, boss, man. Free up the man.
Why? So if you know that, if you don't love you want too much of that place to sell you to, they have dove cut down there, so. Yeah, so if you know, money over what?
Yeah.
Remember the 20th of July, Twin City Lounge. Remember that. You know start karaoke? Give it to them.
Karaoke.
Remember that. Hey, me I come over there come bust to karaoke tune too. Me, I come over there come sing to
But
karaoke.
then I know say you can bust